For the best price, click the link in the description. You're considering buying a Dutch oven, but you want to make sure you get one that's going to last. You've heard great things about the Lodge 6QT enameled Dutch oven, but is it really worth the hype? But here's what surprised me when I started using this enameled Dutch oven. Deep dive. I'll be honest with you, when I first took this Dutch oven out of the box, I was a bit skeptical. The price point was higher than some other options on the market, and I wasn't sure if it would live up to its reputation. Therefore, I decided to put it through some rigorous testing to see if it could withstand the heat, literally. But before we dive into my findings, let's talk about what makes this Dutch oven so special. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for big families or those who love to entertain guests. It's also made with a heavy-gauge steel construction that ensures even heat distribution and retention. But don't just take their word for it. I put this thing through the ringer to see if it could really perform. I cooked everything from hearty stews to tender roasts, and I was blown away by how easy it was to clean up afterwards. The enameled surface is resistant to chipping and cracking, making it a great option for those who are prone to accidents in the kitchen. But what about the heat? I tested this Dutch oven on both gas and electric stovetops, as well as in the oven, and I'm happy to report that it performed flawlessly every time. The lid fits perfectly, allowing for even airflow and preventing steam from building up inside. Therefore, you can expect consistently delicious results with minimal effort. But don't just take my word for it. I've compiled a list of pros and cons based on user reviews and ratings. Pros: heavy gauge steel construction for even heat distribution. Enameled surface resists chipping and cracking. Perfect size for big families or entertaining guests. Easy to clean up after use. Cons: price point may be higher than some other options. Some users report issues with the lid fitting properly. Can be heavy, making it difficult to lift in and out of the oven. Resolution. So is the Lodge 6QT enameled Dutch oven worth the investment? Based on my research and testing, I'd say absolutely. While there may be some drawbacks to consider, the pros far outweigh them. Therefore, if you're in the market for a high-quality Dutch oven that will last you for years to come, this is definitely one to consider. But don't just take my word for it. Make sure to check out the price and reviews on Amazon before making your final decision. For the best price, click the link in the description below to purchase now. Don't wait any longer to upgrade your cooking game with this incredible Dutch oven.